Tatak biyuwenyo, whoa, oh, whoa, 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 oh, whoa, oh, whoa, 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 oh, whoa, oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Bicol University is one of the premier state universities in the Bicol region. It has 7 campuses around the region and the home of 19 colleges. Kilala ang BU sa pagiging home ng champions, talented, quality, and top-notch students sa iba't ibang larangan ng architecture, nursing, engineering, accountancy, at iba pa. Bicol University has established its reputation for exhibiting excellence in the Certified Public Accountant Licensure Examination, marking its highest passing rate of 94.20% during 2015 licensure examination and producing top-notchers over the years.
And this bright, certified magagaling came from the home of beauty and wit. Welcome to Bicol University College of Business, Economic, and Management. Basta magaling, sa SIBEM nang galing. I am Noni Rose Gonzaga, a second-year BS Accountancy student of Bicol University. Tara, samahan niyo akong kilalanin ang BS-SIBEM at BS Accountancy. Bicol University College of Business, Economics, and Management offers 9 different programs, but it's best known for its Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. What is BSA? The BSA program equips the students with knowledge and skills for them to be prepared in a globally competitive market. But more than just helping the students to become a competitive professionals, accountancy students are also directed to have integrity and to be socially responsible in the protection of the interest of general public. BS Accountancy sounds too promising, right? Ngunit katulad rin ng ibang kurso, mahirap itong pag-aralan. Maraming BSA students ang napanghihinaan ng loob at ang iba naman ay lumilipat ng ibang kurso. As an accountancy student, I saw it myself. Ngunit, ano nga bang rason ng mga accountancy student kung bakit patuloy silang nananatili sa program na ito sa kabila ng paghihirap at pagod na kanilang nararanasan sa pang-araw-araw? Let's find some accountancy student and ask them, why BSA? I am Noni Rose Gonzaga from BS Accountancy and nag-i-interview ako sa mga accountancy student kung kamusta ang buhay nila. Pwede ba kitang tanungin?
Sige po, sure.
So, bakit BSA?
Kasi yung lola ko, dati ay BSA student din. Pero di niya yun natapos dahil sa migraine niya. Kaya ngayon, yun yung motivation ko to keep on going kahit na mahirap at draining ang course na to.
Hindi ka ba napipilitan sa course na to?
Hindi naman.
Thank you so much.
Hi po! Are you an accountancy student?
Yes.
I'm an accountancy student and nag-ask ko sa akin questions sa mga accountancy student. Then, pwede ka po bang tanongin? Anong year ka na po?
4th year.
Oh wow! Graduating! Kaya ka pala naka-makeup?
Victoria na po.
Okay. So, bakit BSA?
Kasi practical siya, tapos challenging difficult class. Actually, hindi naman talaga ako pumasa ng busa. QBQ ako. Then, nag-take lang ako ng crash course, which is yung parang busa 2.0 under ng department ng law. Tapos, nung pumasa, yun na, na-feel ko na ako. PSA na talaga ang para sa akin.
Thank you so much po. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Hearing all these reasons from BSA students, masasabi kong iba-iba ang kanilang pinaghuhugutan kung bakit nagpapatuloy sila sa kursong ito. Pero isa lang ang aking napagtanto. They have the same goal why they stayed in this course, Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. And one thing is for sure, to be a BSA student means to be passionate, determined, and courageous in facing all the challenges that might come along the way. I stand here in behalf of all the BSA students. We say, mahirapan na habang nasa loob pa ng Bicol University. Because the real battle outside is incomparable to the struggles we are battling with every day. We are aspiring not just for the CPA title on our name, but also to become an independent certified public accountant with professional skepticism, integrity, and accountability. This is Noni Rose Gonzaga, your CPA in Transit.